sorry. Hi guys, we are camping again. It's Friday, August 17. Is it 17 today? Guys, it's Friday today. We are camping out here in the woods. It's just me and Jackie for now. And later on, my daughter and my son-in-law, and of course, our grandchildren will be here following us. So right now, we are set up in this area. It's just us in this area, guys. It's beautiful over here. It's a lot of trees, really quiet. But you can hear the traffic down there. It's about a quarter mile from here or a half mile. It's the traffic, the main road in Highway 20. Anyway, we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing. And tomorrow I'm heading back to Bend because we're having our boodle with friends over there, and I will be there tomorrow. But for the meantime, we're gonna camp for a couple days. After tomorrow of the boodle, I'm gonna come back and continue our camping. So it's gonna be a busy weekend, guys, but anyway, it's so beautiful in here. And the road is down there. It's about a half mile from here, so it's very pretty. We are not allowed to have a fire at the campground at this time, the season, because of dry season and it can cause fire. So they are not allowing fire at this time of the year. So, and which is okay. You can see that mountain there. It's not a lot of trees because they had fire in there. I think it was a few years ago, maybe 10 years ago, 15 years ago, there's a fire in that mountains. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi, Ray Ray. Okay, Ray Ray, turn on the GoPro for me. She wants to have a video. Hi, Ray Ray. We're having dinner. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. We're having tinola.
That ginger in there.
What is it, tinola?
Tinola.
That's good.
Say tinola.
Tinola.
Tinola. So Millie Millie? Oh, there's Millie Millie. Alright guys, we are cooking breakfast here early in the morning. It's Sunday and we are getting ready to leave today. We are leaving, going back home. Say hello. Hi, hello. This Ray Ray. Say hello. Good morning. Breakfast, corned beef hash, and we have sinangag, fried rice. Yummy. And of course, I made some hash brown and scrambled eggs. Thank you. Is this my drink? What kind of a drink is this?
It's coffee.
It's coffee. Thank you for my coffee. Is this regular or decaf?
Never.
It's decaf.
Oh, good. That's what I want. Thank you so much.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Beautiful out here, guys. It's so quiet. Okay, let's go. What are you doing in here? You gonna go poop? Right here. I'm right here. Right here. There's a lot of wild flowers in here, guys. It's just beautiful. A lot of wild flowers. It's beautiful out here, guys. And there's a small pond over there. We're gonna go check it out. They told me that there is a lot of frog or tod over there. Tadpoles. A lot of tadpoles. Alright, we're with Vanilli right now. We're following the trail to go down to that small pond, guys. They called this place Lost Lake. So during this time, the lake vanish, and then winter time it goes back. So it's just amazing how that water just, you know, vanish and then all of a sudden it will show up. So there's a small pond right there, right here. Look at that water. Gonna drink of water? Look at those small frogs. A lot of frogs. So cute.
Yeah, there's tons of them.
So those are buttercup flowers. They're so cute. Not cute, Ray Ray. Wow. And there's some orange one, yellow. Beautiful. Yeah. Look at those frogs, those tiny frogs. Look at this over here. Look at those frogs. Cute. I'm grandpa. What's the name of the flower?
Buttercup.
Buttercup. Great job. Because it rained, yeah. Yeah. Look at those froggies. Wow. Give it to Grandma.
Where'd they go? Look
Yeah, I know.
so beautiful.
So they're not tadpole anymore. They got bigger.
Yeah, they
They start to develop.
when we came here the first time they were little,
Is it?
and then they hatched big. See? Yeah, think all the bugs they get there.
Vanilla, you're having fun?
When you recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, they said they just kind of go downstream. I know, isn't that cool? Oh, you can't really see anything.
Vanilla, come here.
But Nelly, you brat. The dogs love these.
Come here, Ray Ray. Don't go there, honey.
Here with us, Ray Ray. Come on, stay here with us. There's a bunch right here. Ray Ray, look, there's a bunch.
Credit card machine.
There's a bunch right here. Walk over here. There's a bunch right there. Slow down, slow down. Gosh. What do you think?
Our power here is run by the generator, guys, and it runs by the propane tank, propane gas. Bye, Ray Ray. I had fun. Thank you for the fun. I'll see you later, Ray Ray.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
I love you.
Love you.
Alright guys, we are heading home. We are getting out of here, and we had so much fun. We have a great time, even just for a couple days. Jackie had fun.
Had lots of fun.
Alright guys, so we are heading out, going back home, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Press like, subscribe, and share my video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye.